Hi everyone, Namaste. Welcome to Sai Niketan Neet Biology session. My dear students, we have discussed about synopsis of drugs, smoking, alcohol abuse and adolescence and drug or alcohol abuse. Now in this video we are going to discuss about a few MCQs to make the core concept perfect. Okay. First question is, alcohol is a most socially accepted narcotic drug. Excessive consumption of alcohol leads to options are state of hallucination, loss of memory, suppression of brain function, cirrhosis of liver. Yes. Question is related to chronic intake of alcohol. Long term intake of alcohol leads to the liver cirrhosis. If you see here, this is the normal person liver and this is the liver with cirrhosis. ಯೂಶ್ವಲಿ ನಾವು ಮಾತನಾಡ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಕೆಲವರು ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲನ್ನು ಕನ್ಸಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡುವುದರಿಂದ ಲಿವರ್ ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಲಿವರ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಿರೋಸಿಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿರೋಸಿಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದ ಫ್ಯಾಟಿ ಲಿವರ್. ಲಿವರ್ನ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಫ್ಯಾಟ್ ಡೆಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಆಗಿ ಲಿವರ್ ಫ್ಯಾಟಿ ಲಿವರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So therefore the right answer for this question is the option 4, cirrhosis of liver. Okay, question is excessive consumption of alcohol. So right answer is cirrhosis of liver. Okay, next question. An alkaloid called reserpine is extracted from. See, this is the question related to reserpine. Okay, options are leaves of ashwagandha, roots of sarfagandha, leaves of sarfagandha, roots of ashwagandha. Yes, reserpine ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ಈ ವರ್ಡನ್ನು ನೀವು ಬಯೋಡೈವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕನ್ಸರ್ವೇಷನ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ಎಸ್, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜೆನೆಟಿಕ್ ಡೈವರ್ಸಿಟಿಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡುವಾಗ ಈ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ರಿಸರ್ಪೈನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. It is extracted from Rauwolfia plant. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಕೇಳಿರ್ಬೋದು, Rauwolfia omitoria ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟ್ ಹೆಸರು ಕೇಳಿರುತ್ತೀರಿ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ Rauwolfia plant. Yes, now see here, you will get it. This is the Rauwolfia plant. From this plant, reserpine is extracted. Especially, reserpine is extracted from the roots of Rauwolfia serpentina. It is commonly called as sarfagandha. Okay, Rauwolfia serpentina, that is commonly called as sarfagandha. Which part of the plant? Roots. From the roots of Rauwolfia serpentina, reserpine is extracted. Okay, with this, now you can tell the right answer. Here it is. If you see option 2, roots of sarpagandha is the right answer. Okay, so the right answer for this question is option 2, roots of sarpagandha. Okay, it is not ashwagandha, it is sarpagandha. Rauwolfia serpentina is the scientific name of that plant. Okay, next question is heroin is options are commonly called coke or crack, used to treat mental illnesses like depression and insomnia, a cannabinoid, diacetyl morphine. It is very simple and a direct question. Yes, see here, these things you should know. From the latex of the poppy plant, okay, the scientific name of that plant is Papaver somniferum. Which part of the plant? Latex. Okay, latex of the poppy plant. Morphine is extracted. Now, by acetylation of morphine, heroin is obtained. Therefore, the chemical name of heroin is diacetyl morphine. How much acetyl groups are added here? The 2 acetyl groups are added and heroin is formed. This you should know. ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ನಾವು recent NEET question paper analysis ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಸೊ ಈ ಏರಿಯಾದಿಂದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೇಳಲಾಗಿದೆ. Okay, yes, with this you can tell now the right answer. Here it is. See, option 1 ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ? Commonly called coke or crack, that is a common name of cocaine. Option 2, used to treat mental illnesses like depression and insomnia. Whenever you get the word depression and insomnia, these mental illnesses, you need to remember 4 drugs: barbiturates, amphetamines, bezodiazepines and LSD. ಆದರೆ ನ್ಯೂ NCERT ಬುಕ್ನಲ್ಲಿ this LSD is removed, but still you should remember that. Okay, ನ್ಯೂ NCERT ಬುಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ LSD ಅನ್ನು ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಲಾಗಿದೆ, because normally LSD is not used in the medicine nowadays. Okay, now option 3A, cannabinoids. The examples are marijuana, hashish, charas, ganja. These are the examples for cannabinoids. 4th one is diacetyl morphine. It is the chemical name of heroin. Therefore, question is heroin is. Therefore, the right answer is option 4, diacetyl morphine. Okay, diacetyl morphine. Now, next question. Tobacco consumption is known to stimulate secretion of adrenaline, and noradrenaline component could be. This is the question from NCERT Exemplar. Okay, options are nicotine, tannic acid, curamin, catechin or catechin. It is also very direct question. What is the chemical present in the tobacco? Okay, what is the chemical present in the tobacco? As we studied, the chemical present in the tobacco is nicotine. This nicotine stimulates adrenal gland. Then there is a release of adrenaline and noradrenaline, and these two hormones causing high BP and high heart rate. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಫ್ಲೋ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ಕೂಡ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿರುವಂಥ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಯಾವುದಂದರೆ ಟೊಬ್ಯಾಕೋದಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ಯಾವುದು? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಿಕೋಟಿನ್. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಆ್ಯನ್ ಆಲ್ಕಲಾಯ್ಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 1, nicotine. Nicotine is the right answer here. Next question. Which of the following are with hallucinogenic property? Yes, options are Atropa and Datura, Atropa and Papaver, Papaver and Cannabis, both 2 and 3. This is also a direct question. When we were discussing the synopsis, we have studied that other hallucinogenic plants, they are Atropa belladona and Datura. This plant is Atropa and that plant is Datura. Extraction of these two plants were using in folk medicines, right? ಆ ಫೋಕ್ ಮೆಡಿಸಿನ್ಸ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಇವುಗಳ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸನ್ನು ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದರು. ಬಟ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟೂ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ hallucinogenic property. Okay, hallucinogenic property. So with this, here the right answer is option 1, Atropa and Datura. Yes, the right answer for this question is Atropa and Datura. So remaining options, if you see, they are not a hallucinogenic property. Okay, next question. LSD. Actually I told that is LSD ಅನ್ನು ರೀಸೆಂಟ್ NCERT ಬುಕ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಈ LSD ಅನ್ನು ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, but still we should know about that. Now you see LSD, option 1, normally used as medicine to overcome depression. Okay, as I told, nowadays LSD is not used in the medicines. Okay, medicines ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಮೊದಲು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು, ಈಗ LSD ಅನ್ನು ಮೆಡಿಸಿನ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್, ಕಾಸಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಲುಸಿನೇಷನ್, ಕ್ರೋನಿಕ್ ಸೈಕೋಸಿಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಿವಿಯರ್ ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜ್ ಟು ದ CNS. Actually, this is the right answer here. Because of this reason, nowadays LSD is not used in the medicine. Because of this reason, actually LSD is a potent hallucinogen. So that causes hallucination, chronic psychosis and severe damage to the CNS. Okay, option 3, if you see, it is the low potency hallucinogen. It is wrong because it is a high potency hallucinogen. LSD is high potency hallucinogen. Fourth one, it is widely used in veterinary medicines to briefly immobilize large animals. This statement also incorrect. The right answer for this is option 2, causes hallucination, chronic psychosis and severe damage to the CNS. Okay. Next question. Which of the following are correctly matched? Okay, we have to select correct match. Cannabis sativa, Ganja, Papaver somniferum, charas, Claviceps purpurea, charas, Erythroxylum, Ganja. Yes, it is also very simple question. Very easily you can select the right answer here. Now, see here. See option 4, Erythroxylum Ganja is there, Erythroxylum. So, Ganja is not extracted from Erythroxylum. Actually, cocaine is extracted from this Erythroxylum. Option 3, Claviceps purpurea, charas. This is wrong match because LSD is extracted from Claviceps purpurea. LSD is extracted from Claviceps purpurea. Then option 2, Papaver somniferum, charas. It is a wrong match because morphine and heroin are extracted from this plant, Papaver somniferum. But if you see the option 1, Cannabis sativa, Ganja, it is the correct match because Ganja is an example for cannabinoids. Cannabinoids are extracted from Cannabis sativa. The right answer is option 1. Okay. Yes. Next question. Here is a question from NCERT Exemplar. Smoke is a drug obtained from the smoke. Remember, smoke is the common name of heroin. Yes, smoke is the common name of heroin. Therefore, once again you have to see this one. As I told you, this flow chart is very important. Okay, so here the common name of heroin is smoke. The chemical name is diacetylmorphine. It is obtained by acetylation of morphine. Morphine is extracted from latex of poppy plant. So with this, here right answer, if you see option 1, latex of Papaver somniferum. So this is the right answer. Right, leaves of second option notary, leaves of Cannabis sativa, cannabinoids drugs are extracted. Flowers of Datura, they show hallucination. So Datura is the plant have hallucinogenic property. Fruits of Erythroxylum coca, from this cocaines are extracted. But here latex of the Papaver somniferum, smoke is extracted. Okay. Next question. The drug useful to increase the cardiovascular effects in human being is, right? Options are cannabinoids, barbiturates, bezodiazepines, insulin. So cardiovascular activity anna ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡೋದು ಯಾವುದು? When we were discussing synopsis, we have studied effects of cannabinoids. Do you remember? So effects of cannabinoids are affect cardiovascular system. Here cardio means heart, vascular means blood vessels. So cannabinoids increase the functioning of heart and blood vessels. Okay, remember this. Hence, they are abused by some sports persons. Abused by some sports person. With this, the right answer here is option 1, cannabinoids. Okay, cannabinoids. Now, next question. Drugs that are normally used as medicines to help the patient cope up with the mental illnesses like depression, insomnia. Right? Which are the drugs used? Barbiturates, amphetamines, lysergic acid diethylamide. Lysergic acid diethylamide, it is LSD. Option 4, all of the above. Okay, we have studied this slide. Here, barbiturates, amphetamines, bezodiazepines and LSD used as medicines to treat mental illnesses like depression and insomnia. Right? Therefore, here the right answer is option 4, all of the above. Okay. Again I repeat, LSD is removed from new NCERT book. Right? New NCERT book ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಓಲ್ಡನ್ ಡೇಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ LSD ಅನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಇಲ್ನೆಸಸ್ಗೆ ಬಳಸಲಾಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಓಕೆ, now it is removed because it is causing the damage to the central nervous system and it causes a high hallucination. So that's why it is not using in the medicines. Okay, next question. Which of the following is matching pair of a drug and its category? ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಅಪಿಯರ್ ಆಗುವಂಥದ್ದು ಡ್ರಗ್ಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನಿಂದ. ಓಕೆ, ಡ್ರಗ್ಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಂದ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. See here, we have to select the correct matching. So, amphetamine stimulant, LSD pain causing, heroin psychotropin, benzodiazepines painkiller. Now, see here. If you go for option 4, benzodiazepine, as we studied, it is anti-anxiety. So, it reduces anxiety, tranquilizer, make you calm. Okay, so here painkiller is there, it is wrong match. Heroin psychotropin, it is the wrong match because heroin is depressant. LSD pain causing, it is the wrong match because LSD is potent hallucinogen, hallucination ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. Right? Now option 1 you see amphetamine stimulant anti-sleep. तो ಸ್ಲೀಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದು ಸ್ಟಿಮ್ಯುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಟಿಮ್ಯುಲೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ amphetamine stimulant, it is the correct matching. The right answer is option 1, amphetamine stimulant. Okay, amphetamine stimulant. Yes. Next question. Here is a question from Neet 2018 question paper. Neet 2018 question paper. Which part of the poppy plant is used to obtain the smoke? As I told, that is very important. Which part of the poppy plant is used to obtain the smoke? Yes, smack is the common name of heroin. Once again see this flow chart. As I told, this flow chart is very important. 2018 ಇರ್ಬೋದು, 2019ನ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಆ ಎರಡೂ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟಿಂದನೇ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, once again we'll see latex of the poppy plant, that is the Papaver somniferum, used to extract morphine. Then by acetylation of morphine, heroin is obtained. Okay, so with this the right answer is here, the option 2, latex. Latex is used to obtain the smack. Okay, now let us see one more question. Here is a question from 2019 Neet question paper. Again the question you see from the same concept. Drug called heroin is synthesized by. Drug called heroin is synthesized by. Just now we have studied the drug called heroin is synthesized by acetylation of morphine. The right answer is option 2. It is not methylation of morphine, it is not glycosylation of morphine, it is not nitration of the morphine, it is acetylation of morphine. Okay, this is the question from Neet 2019. So this is about the MCQ discussion. ಈ MCQ ಅನ್ನು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, if you want to get good score in NEET, you should study the NCERT informations. ಅಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಡಿಕೋಡಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ರೈಟ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೈ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ದ ಟೈಮ್ ಬೈ ಸ್ಟಡಿಂಗ್ ಅದರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ NCERT informations. Please be thorough with NCERT informations. Okay, with this the human health and disease chapter is completed. Okay, this is about today's session. See you again. Thank you so much.